In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time market data on TradingView and why it's important. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, having access to real-time data is crucial in making informed decisions in the fast-paced world of trading. To get started, you'll first need to open TradingView. You can do this through their website or the app. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account so you can access all the features you need. Next, take a look at your watch list, which you'll find on the right side of the screen. Your watch list is essential because it displays all the symbols and markets you're interested in. Once you open your watch list, start scanning through the symbols. If you hover your cursor over each one, look for a small tooltip or label indicating if the data is real time. Typically, cryptocurrencies display live data at no cost, so you'll find it's accessible for free. On the flip side, if you notice a D icon next to a symbol, this means that particular asset has a delay in its data, often by 10 minutes or so. Click on the symbol to open its chart and confirm the extent of the delay displayed at the top. Next to this delay label, you'll see a Learn More link. Clicking on it will bring up a section explaining which exchanges need paid subscriptions for real-time data and the pricing associated with each exchange. Now, it's decision time. Decide which exchange feeds are critical for your trading strategy, especially if you're engaged in intraday or fast-paced trading where real-time pricing can significantly impact your profitability. If you decide the real-time feed is necessary, go through TradingView's prompts, select the exchange you need, confirm your decision, and complete the purchase. Following the purchase, TradingView will automatically update and enable real-time prices for those specific symbols. After activating the real-time data feed, it's a good idea to refresh your chart or reopen your watch list. This helps ensure the delayed label disappears and the live data label is functional, showing that you're now receiving up-to-the-minute pricing. Don't forget to double-check any symbols that offer free live prices as typically seen with many cryptocurrency pairs. Understanding the importance of real-time data isn't just about convenience. Speed is crucial. Even a 10 to 15 minute lag can alter the outcome of intraday trades. Additionally, accuracy is vital when placing time-sensitive orders, ensuring your decisions are based on the most current data. This precision translates into greater confidence, as you'll avoid the pitfalls of acting on outdated information that could potentially mislead your trading strategy.